Hi, I'll be teaching on how to set and press guitar strings correctly. How to set and press guitar strings correctly. If your fingernails have grown, trim them to prevent snagging strings and to allow cleaner finger pressure. This is how to set and press guitar strings correctly. This fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, 4. As you can see, these vertical metals, these metals you are looking at, they are the frets we are talking about: fret 1, fret 2, 3, 4, and so on. Whatsoever you are playing here, you are playing it on the first fret. It doesn't mean that your finger will be on top of the fret. No, it's not allowed. You are not allowed to place your finger on top of this fret 1. No, it means that for this to be fret 1, it means that your finger will be very, very close to the fret. As you can see, not here, no, very, very close. So that's why it's called fret 1. Very close to the frets. As you can see, not on top of the frets, not allowed. Remember to make use of the tip of your fingers. Make use of the tip of your fingers. As you can see, making use of the tip of your fingers. It is normal to feel pains as a beginner, but you will definitely overcome the pains. When you start feeling pains, it means that your fingers are getting stronger. Fret 1, here, using the tip of my finger, not in this manner, not in this manner. As you can see, no. So you are to make use of your, to make use of the tip of your finger, as you can see, and yeah, just like that, tip of your finger. Now, another example, I'm to play on 2nd fret on the 5th string. Second fret on the 5th string. It doesn't mean that my finger will be on top of this fret like this. No, it means that I am pressing my finger before the fret, before the metal. My finger is going to be before the metal, not here. This is fret 2, here, right here, very close, for a clearer sound. As you can see, yeah, you can hear the sound, but when it is here, not clear, but when it's here, you can sound very, very clear, making use of the tip of your finger. The same thing applicable to every fret. Then in terms of chord, this is how your finger placement is meant to be. Like using key G major as a case study, my 3rd finger is on the 3rd fret, then my 2nd finger on a 5th string, 2nd fret, then you can see my finger 4 on the 3rd fret, you can see, of the 4th string. The same thing applicable. You can see my finger, you must create more space. Create more space. Make use of the tip of your finger. Make use of the tip of your fingers. As you can see, just like this, create space. Create space, more space here. Making use of the tip of your fingers. But when your fingers are like this, no. You can see that it's muting other strings. It's muting other strings. You must make use of the tip of your fingers, just like this. You can see I'm using the tip of my fingers. So that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe